Hi, welcome back. The other day, Russ and I were watching YouTube videos, and we always like to watch gardening YouTube videos, and we found one from Garden Answer, and Laura was just spreading some poppy seeds over the snow. And she had seen somebody else do that, and they came up really great for them. And so she decided to try it, and Russ and I looked at each other, and we said, let's do that too. I've never grown poppies. My parents had beautiful poppies in their yard, and my in-laws had beautiful poppies in their yard, and so we're going to try it. What I have today is an Iceland poppy, and I'm not even going to try to say it, but it's beautiful multicolors. And this comes up early in the summer, and it grows 12 to 24 inches tall. And then I have another variety called Black Swan, and these grow later in the summer, and they grow 24 to 36 inches tall. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to mix them because I want the color to be just kind of varied, and it doesn't matter to me if the shorter ones are in back, but I just think it'll be really pretty. So what I'm going to do first is just open up the packages and dump them in this bowl. Do you know what I love about seeds? Is you can start with something this tiny, and you end up with beautiful big plants. I just think that's an amazing thing about nature. So you can see I'm just mixing them up a bit. And then I'm just going to start over here and just kind of sprinkle them all through our flower beds. Okay, and that's it. So the theory is the snow as it melts will give them the moisture that they need so that they can sink down into the ground and germinate. And these two varieties do well in full sun to part shade, which is what we have here in the front yard. So I'm excited to see what happens, and we'll give you an update when they come up. Give us a like and a subscribe if this made you want to go out and spread some poppy seeds yourself in your yard over your snow. Thanks. We'll see you next time.